Set goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals that align with your values and vision for your life. Read and learn. Read books, attend workshops, and take courses to continuously learn and improve your knowledge and skills. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being by getting enough sleep, exercise, healthy food, and relaxation time. Develop positive habits. Create habits that support your goals and lead to success, such as a morning routine or a regular exercise schedule. Practice gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude by focusing on the positive things in your life and expressing appreciation for them. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who inspire and support you. And limit time with negative influences. Develop emotional intelligence. Develop your emotional intelligence by learning to recognize and manage your own emotions, and empathize with others. Step out of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to try new things and take risks, even if they are uncomfortable or scary. Practice mindfulness. Practice mindfulness to increase awareness of the present moment, reduce stress, and improve focus. Seek feedback. Seek feedback from others to gain insight into areas where you can improve and grow.